This is a very dangerous railway bridge built over a river. Many people use this bridge as a shortcut, even though there is no proper walkway. When a train suddenly approaches, there is almost no room to move or escape. In moments like this, people panic. Some try to run, while others jump into the river to save their lives. This situation teaches us an important lesson. Saving a few minutes is not worth risking your entire life. A train cannot stop quickly, and the bridge offers no safe place to stand aside.
Lapden! 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 ধর ধর উনি ধরবে 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 আমরা মাদার ধরবে ধরবে তুল 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 তুল